Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the left formula. The left formula allows you to pull up characters from a text string in Excel depending upon the number of characters you want. Like for example, we have written some text over here. Let's choose to be happy, let's choose to be, and then a smiley, let's choose to be, and then text, then numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and in this we have just the numbers. So here I have mentioned the number of characters that we require to extract from this. So 1, 2, 19 and 4. So if I just extract one character using the left formula, I'll get L, which is this one. If I extract two characters, I'll get LE. If I extract 19, I'll get all this till 1. If I extract 4 characters from numbers, I'll get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did I do it? Let me show you. It is equal to left, and you choose the text, all right, comma, and number of characters. You can choose it from anywhere you have written, like a referential thing, and you get LE. There is just L, which is the first character from this text. Let's choose to be happy, the L from let's. There is another way you can use the left formula. Choose the text, comma, and you can type in the number of characters like 2. All right. This works with alphanumeric, alpha symbol, any which way. This is alpha symbols, right? This is alphanumeric. See? You can even type in the text. This number 19, you could type it like we did over here, and it works so very well with numbers also. Comma, and here's yours. So this is how you use the left formula. See you in the next video.